Hello guys, my name is NABIL ELKIHEL. I'm a computer engineering student. My student number is 220201-983. I took the workplace training online with Data Camp, and this is the certificate that I got after finishing the courses. This is the first one, Python Programming Fundamentals, and this is the second one, Python Programming. Now we are going to see the presentation that I made after finishing the course. This is the presentation topics, the Python Programming Fundamentals. We're gonna see the overview, problems you faced, and what you learned, and the summary. Same thing with Python Programming, and we're gonna see the understanding problem and the method followed to solve the problem and the important parts of the code and the conclusion. Let's start with the Python Programming Fundamentals. This is the overview as we can see here, and this is also the problems I faced. This is what I learned, and this is the summary. And now this is the Python programming overview as we can see here, and this is the problem that I faced, and this is what I learned from it, and this is the summary. And now this is the understanding problem. This is the step one, the importance of learning Python. Python is one of the most popular and beginner friendly programming language, and it is widely used in fields like you can see. And this is the second step, the challenge of beginners. Many learners face these problems. And step 3, widen the gap with guided tracks to solve these problems that I can create two learning tracks. And step 4, the learning goal. The main object is to guide learners from zero to proficiency by. This is the method followed to solve the problem for the Python Programming Fundamentals and for Python Programming also. This is the important part of the code that we can see now. This is Python Programming Fundamentals. This is the variables and data types, as we can see here, the control flow and the functions. And this is Python Programming Context Manager and decorators, object-oriented programming, unit testing, and this is the conclusion. The DataCamp Python Programming Fundamentals and Python Programming Tracks provide a powerful readmade for mastering Python. The fundamentals tracks offer a solid base for anyone starting their programming journey, covering essential logical syntax and basics problem solving. Thanks for watching, and now we're gonna see our code. We're gonna explain the code, the project code. Let's start with we're gonna explain it line by line. Let's start with first line. From datetime, import datetime delta. This is the important two classes from Python build. In datetime models, datetime is used for working with date and time, and the time delta is used to represent the difference between two datetime objects, like you can see 5 days, 3 hours, 5 days, 4 hours. Define format function accepting this time temp and this time format agrees. This we can write for the second line there, format date for times, the times format. This define a function named format date that takes two arguments, timestamp and an integer or float representing second sign to Unix epoch, and the time format a string that specifies how to format the datetime. The datetime object equal to datetime from timestamp. This line converts this time info the datetime object using the format timestamp. For example, datetime from timestamp might return a datetime object like 24/20/24/73 at 18 of 13 minutes 20 seconds. The datetime str is equal to datetime object time. The time format converts the datetime object into a string based on the format provide, like entry slash true, percentage d, percentage m, and percentage y. This is, and now we finish our code. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.